Tito, sit. Sit up. You good boy. You're such a good boy. Mwah. Love you. So adorable. Come on.
Hey, Lucy.
What do you want?
Give me a water.
I'm getting the water.
Immigration reform.
Oh, that's it. Say that the Boca got to be a president.
Tito, sit.
Sobre un importante tema que mantiene en ascuas.
Okay, lay down. You're such a adorable puppy. Okay, well, let's go get Tito water. This was supposed to be about my dog, but ew. Look at my garage. Tito's jacket. The smell of dough. Oh, I love that smell. I love it. Okay, well. Wait, where's the water? Oh, over here. Fridge. The water's lights burning out. Yeah, that's my garage. Nah, who cares? Look at Tito again! Tito! Tito! I think something special is going on. Sorry. Come on, Tito. Come here, Tito. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Go to do
I got you. I know. Ooh, it's dark out here. Tito! Look! It's your little toy. Oh, wow. Oh, God. Ah! Rafe! Oh, God. Tito! I can't see you. Come back here. There he is. There he is. There he isn't. Oh, there he is. Oh, whoa. How do you do that? Tito, come look at the little fuzzy thingy. Tito, stop playing with the squeaky toy. Not working out right now. This is a dog I gave him for Christmas. You want this, big boy? I know you wanted it. No, get the play toy. I paid good hard cash for this, Tito, and you're going to play with it. More like 25 cents. No, I'm kidding. See, here, Tito, it's gonna attack you. It doesn't like you because you're not playing with it. How do you like that? My cute dog. No, don't run away from me. Fine. Be that way. I'm gonna go back inside. Gosh. My documentary with you is over. Unless he comes inside. Let's watch. Tito, don't you want to be in a video? Oh wow, he's pooping. How great. Trust me, you don't want to see it. Good thing it's dark outside. Okay, well, bye, Tito. You do that. He's coming inside. Oh, he is. Okay, never mind. Okay, documentary over.